I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the Cnic 13-digit number and the Zong mobile number. Keep both visible. Once done, dial the official Zong short code or open Zong's verification portal on a mobile browser. Make sure you use the device that holds the Zong SIM when prompted. This confirms ownership. If using code, enter the Cnic when the automated prompt asks and wait for the confirmation message. This first action links the ID and the SIM so you can verify registration. Once you've started, follow the verification steps exactly. Enter the 13-digit Cnic when prompted and confirm any displayed digits that match the SIM. If an OTP is sent to the Zong number, enter it promptly. This proves the SIM receives messages. Make sure to read the registration details in the returned SMS or portal page. Look for name, SIM status, and registration date. If multiple SIMs exist under the Cnic, note each listed number. This shows all linked Zong numbers. To finish, save the confirmation SMS or take a screenshot of the portal page as proof of the linked number. If details mismatch or no number appears, call Zong customer service and provide your Cnic and verification attempt time. They can escalate for correction. Once done, make sure the SIM works for calls and data. If the process fails, retry after toggling airplane mode or use another device and then contact support if the issue persists. This resolves most connectivity-related errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.